Students, in last lecture we have started exercise 5.5 and questions based on integration by parts is completed. Now today we will continue exercise 5.5. There is one more type we have explained you. E raised to x integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dashed x into dx. What is this integration? This integration is e raised to x into f of x plus c. Whenever function is integration is coming in this form, e raised to x f of x plus f dashed x means function plus its derivative. Then what is our integration? Integration is e raised to x into f of x plus c. So today we will do questions based on this type. Here see in question number 8, here given that integration of e raised to x into log x the whole square plus 2 log x upon x into dx. So here students, first integration consider by capital letter I. Let I is equal to integration e raised to x log x the whole square plus 2 log x upon x into dx. Yes. So here students, what is given that e raised to x log x the whole square plus 2 log x upon x. See, suppose here we will assume log x the whole square as f of x. Here we will assume f of x as log x the whole square. Log x the whole square. Then find out its derivative, f dashed x derivative. Now what is derivative here? Here given that f of x raised to n. Function is given that log x raised to 2. Means it is given that f of x raised to n. So what is derivative here? N. N is 2. N f of x. What is f of x? Log x. N into f of x into derivative of f of x. What is f of x? Log x. Here we will write derivative n f of x derivative of f of x. What is integration here? 2 log x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Means here what is our derivative? F dashed x. F dashed x is 2 log x upon x. 2 log x upon x is our f dashed x. See here given that f dashed x 2 log x upon x. So we will write this integration I in this form, integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dashed x into dx. What is here? Integration e raised to x into f of x plus c. E raised to x f of x plus c. What is our f of x? F of x is log x the whole square. F of x is log x the whole square plus c. This is our integration I. I is equal to e raised to x log x the whole square plus c. This integration is based on this type e raised to x f of x plus f dashed x into dx. Our integration is e raised to x into f of x plus c. Now next question number third one. Here given that e raised to x 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Again students, here first integration consider by capital letter I. I is equal to integration e raised to x 1 upon x. Students, here will write plus minus 1 upon x square into dx. This minus 1 upon x square will write here in bracket. 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon x square dx. Again here, suppose we will assume, let f of x is equal to 1 upon x. 1 upon x. 1 upon x, students will write in terms of power, it is x raised to minus 1. F of x is x raised to minus 1. Now find out f dash x. What is f dash x? Derivative. Derivative of x raised to minus 1. So it is minus 1 and x raised to n minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 1. X raised to n minus 1. So what is here? This is coming minus 1 into x raised to minus 2. The students, x raised to minus 2 we will write as in denominator x square. Yes, minus, it is minus 1 upon x square. Then see here what is our f dash x? Minus 1 upon x square. So we will assume f of x as 1 upon x and f dash x is minus 1 upon x square. So what is our integration? I is integration e raised to x f of x plus f dash x into dx. What is our answer? E raised to x into f of x plus c. Here substitute f of x. What is f of x? 1 upon x. E raised to x into 1 upon x plus c. Means our answer is e raised to x by x plus c. This is our integration I. Getting e raised to x upon x plus c. Now next question number 10th one. Integration of log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square into dx. Here students, first integration consider by capital letter I. I is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square into dx. So here students, see in this type, here given that integration log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. This integration is not given that in standard form. So here first we will convert this question in standard form. So how to convert in standard form? By using substitution method. So here students, here e raised to x is also not given that. So here by using substitution method we will convert this integration in standard form. So here suppose we will substitute, put log x is equal to t. Here we will put log x is equal to t. Here students, e raised to x is also not given that. So here we will find t in terms of e raised to t. What is the value of x? X is equal to, we will write x is equal to as, here base is e, x is equal to e raised to t. X is equal to e raised to t. And then find out derivative of x. What is derivative of x? 1. So it is 1 into dx, which is equal to derivative of e raised to t is e raised to t. It is e raised to t into dt. So dx is equal to e raised to t into dt. Now after that, here substitute in integration. So what is our integration? Mark this integration as 1 and this will be first and second. Put first and second in 1. What is our integration? I is equal to integration. So here we will substitute log x as t. So it is t upon 1 plus t the whole square, and into dx. Students, dx we will substitute as e raised to t into dt. E raised to t into dt. Now after that, again see here, not given that function plus its derivative. So we will arrange in terms of function and its derivative. See in denominator what is given, that 1 plus t. So we will arrange in numerator also 1. How to arrange? By add and subtract. Here we will add and subtract 1 in numerator. So what is here? T plus 1 minus 1. Here we will add and subtract 1, and this will write as t plus 1 the whole square. T plus 1 minus 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square, and this will write as it is e raised to t into dt. Getting? Now next, see, this will write in one bracket t plus 1. Here we'll distribute the denominator. Integration t plus 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square minus, this will write as plus, in bracket write minus 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square. Getting? T plus 1 the whole square, and here we'll write complete dt, e raised to t into dt. Now next see here, 1t plus 1, 1t plus 1 getting cancelled. Then what is remaining here? 1 upon t plus 1 plus, what is here? Minus 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square. E raised to t into dt. Getting? 1 upon t plus 1 plus minus 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square into e raised to t dt. Here we will assume, students, f of t as 1 upon t plus 1, and then find out its derivative. So suppose here we will assume f of t as 1 upon t plus 1. So students, we will write this as t plus 1 raised to minus 1, because here what is power? Plus 1. So we will write here t plus 1 raised to minus 1. Then find out its derivative. F dash t. F dash t. So what is here derivative? See here what is given, that power t plus 1 raised to minus 1. So here we will write minus 1 into t plus 1. Then what is power? Minus 1 minus 1 means it is minus 2. N t plus 1 raised to n minus 1. Then here power is minus 2, and derivative of t plus 1 will be 1, because derivative of t is 1 and derivative of 1 will be 0 into 1. This will write as it is. Then here we'll write this as minus 1 upon t plus 1 raised to 2. We will write this as minus 1 upon t plus 1 raised to minus 2. So see, f of t is 1 upon t plus 1. And what is f dash t? F dash t is coming minus 1 upon t plus 1 raised to 2. So f dash t is coming minus 1 upon t plus 1 raised to 2. And here given that e raised to t into dt. So this integration is coming in standard form. We will write here f of t and here f dash t. E raised to t into dt. Then what is our answer? E raised to t into f of t plus c. And what is our f of t? F of t is 1 upon t plus 1. And what is the value of t? Resubstitute. Value of t is log x. Log x. So our answer is 1 upon log x plus 1 plus c. Getting? Here we'll write integration. Here we'll write integration in this form. Integration e raised to t into f of t plus f dash t into dt. And what is our answer? Answer is e raised to t into f of t plus c. And what is our f of t? F of t is 1 upon t plus 1. 1 upon t plus 1 plus c. And in last step, students resubstitute value of t. What is t? T is log x. So here we will write e raised to log x. E raised to log x and 1 upon t plus 1 will write as 1 upon log x plus 1 plus c. And here what is e raised to log x? This will be x. So here we will write x into 1 upon log x plus 1 plus c, because here base is same. Then what is answer? X. Or we will resubstitute value of e raised to t. E raised to t is x. Our answer is x into 1 upon log x, 1 plus log x. We will write this as x upon log x, x upon log x plus 1 plus c. Getting? Here students, exercise 5.5 is completed.